Stuck on the train, ain't no surprise. The MTA sucks, and I tell you no lies. It may be blue skies above, but you can't see when you're stuck on the train. First the train is running, see how it's really going. Suddenly you find yourself there, stuck in between stations. And when they tell you what's happening, you can't hear what they're saying. Nothing you could do or say. You just lost the money you paid on your Metro card. Stuck on the train, ain't no big surprise. The MTA sucks, and I tell you no lies. Yesterday's gone, and I remain on the train.